Well, I'm Kaeo Clarke. I'm a Shipwright Apprentice here. I'm about 2.5 years through the 4-year program now. Winnie here has helped me learn quite a bit. Funnily enough, actually, I met this boat before it came to the museum down in the Caribbean, in Guatemala specifically. We were down there for hurricane season and we were feeling a little homesick. We come around the corner and we see this lovely lady on the hook up in the fresh water, and we go to speak with the skipper. And he tells us the story about how it was rebuilt in Belize after it was wrecked and after she's had the usual hard buyboat life. Eventually got it brought back up here, and up here she survives as the tour boat. Probably #1 lesson this boat has taught me is making sure that you know what your end goal needs to be. Once it was established that we were going to be essentially rebuilding the boat, the goals obviously shifted a bit, and the end results shifted as well. So it became very important and to understand what steps we needed to take to get from point A to B to C to D, and 1 or 2 mistakes could lead to major issues further on down the line. More than anything, this boat has taught me plan it out. At the moment, I'm not yet learned enough on this scale to make the judgment calls or to do the work that needs to be made or needs to be done on it right now. But I am fortunate enough to be able to say, all right, what do you need? Like for a while there, I was coming in every morning and I would go to Jeff and say, all right, what needs to be done today? Or for the next couple of days, and he'd say, this is what needs to be done, and then I'd be able to do that. And then it would just carry on from there, and I ended up doing a lot of different things for this project in particular. I mean, if you've like traced my steps, I'm all over the place. I just can't help but think it's funny that this boat has been to the tropics, it's come back, and this is the 2nd time it's been rebuilt, and I get to be a part of that and helping continue the story, and I can't help but wonder, you know, what's gonna happen in another 50 years or so. Like, if I am fortunate enough to have kids, I can say, hey, look, I helped repair this boat, this living, floating piece of history that has many, many stories to tell if you know how to listen to it.